permutation is a possible rearrangement of objects. For example, there are 6 permutations of the letters A, B, C. We can have ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, and CBA. Now we know that we have all of them listed because there are 3 choices for which letter we put first. The 2 choices, then there's 2 choices for which letter comes next, which leaves only 1 choice for the last letter. The multiplicative principle says we multiply 3 times 2 times 1, and that gives us 6. There are 6 ways of rearranging A, B, and C. Okay, so now a piece of notation is helpful here. N factorial. Let's take a look at how we write this. Looks like N exclamation point. Now this is read N factorial. This is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to N. Now for reasons of convenience, we also define 0 factorial to be 1. So the number of permutations of 6 letters would be 6 factorial, which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right, this actually generalizes to a closed formula for N factorial, which I have here. There are N factorial. Whoa! I don't know why that happened. There we go. Let me zoom out just a little bit. There are N factorial, which is N times N minus 1 times N minus 2, all the way down to times 3 times 2 times 1. Permutations of N distinct elements. So this actually gives rise to how we count the number of permutations of N elements. Anyways, thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.